Hi, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to forward entire conversation with all mails replies in Outlook. First of all, go to your Outlook and go to the specific mail inbox and select the mail. And now just right click on the specific mail and hover over on find related and click on messages in this conversation. And here you will find all messages in the conversation. Now to reply with all of the messages, just press Ctrl A to select all of them, then go to home and here just click on forward. And here, as you can see, my entire conversation successfully attached. And now in this toolbox, box, just add the recipient email address and just add here a subject and then just send this mail. So this is how we can actually send forward entire conversation in Outlook. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.